All right, so this is someone performing a sinus adjustment. Do you see they got a finger cot there attached to a blood pressure pump? And yeah, he just inflated that inside of her nasal passage, trying to create some space in there. I don't do this, so please don't call the clinic asking for this. You can see here, there's definitely some risk associated with it. She got that balloon stuck down her throat there, got it out. But some people do it, and I believe for some people it does provide them some relief. But yet again, I don't do this, so don't reach out to us for this one.